Do you want to know how you can win a wireless Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner? Watch till the end. So it's very easy for you to join the raffle. You just have to go to this website that I'm flashing now, argeltiburcio.com/share the love. And then you'll be taken to this form. So you'll be taken to this form, the Share the Love Customer Referral Promo Online form. Okay? So in this form, you will see that you simply need to input your first name, then your last name, and then your birth date, plus your email address, and your mobile number. Now, this is a very crucial information that you need to input. You have to input my name as the financial advisor who invited you. So just put in Ramon Miguel and my last name, Tiburcio. Plus, this is another important detail, you should input this number for the advisor code 007462616. Again, 007462616. And then simply click next, and you will be taken to this form where you will input the people that you want to refer to me so that I can have a financial health check with them. So one referral or one person is equivalent to one raffle entry for you to win the premium gadget for the week. So you'll just put in the details of your referral here. So you want to put their first name, last name, their email address, and of course their mobile number. And if you have more referrals, you can simply click yes, and you just have to add the referrals until you run out of people who you want to refer for a free financial health check with me. Again, one referral is equal to one raffle entry. So it's so easy to earn raffle entries for this promo, and it's gonna help you to win the premium gadget for the week. So again, just go to argeltiburcio.com/share the love and input the details, the important details that I've mentioned, and I've put it in the caption in this video, and share as many referrals, this gift of a free financial health check, and then in return, you'll have a raffle entry for the premium gadget that we will be drawing this week. So the more referrals that you give, the more chances of you winning the premium gadget. See you, and thank you in advance, and good luck!